China just dropped a satellite bomb. That's right, not a missile, not a fighter jet, but images. The images are sharp, zoomed in, and explosive because those images allegedly show America's most advanced stealth fighter sitting inside an Israeli airbase. And now the world is asking who breached whom. Welcome to Times XP. It begins with the Chinese intelligence linked firm. Its name? Mizar Vision. Well, the company suddenly publishes satellite images online. No warning, no subtlety, just high resolution images. And in those images, rows of aircraft, sleek and angular, impossible to radar. Well, the crown jewel of the US Air Force was also there, the F 22 Raptor. According to the images, 11 F 22 stealth jets are parked at one location, and that location is Ovda Air Base, deep inside the southern Israel. Basically, a base normally used for training, exercises, and international drill. But this time, something looks very much different because alongside the jet, there appears to be a Patriot air defense system deployed nearby. Missile interceptors, radar unit, in fact, protective positioning. And that is not routine, that looks operational here, right? Let me tell you what really is happening here. And why would America deploy its most advanced stealth fighter jets to Israel? The answer is Iran. And most importantly, why now? Amid rising tensions linked to Iran? Well, the US has not officially confirmed about the mission details yet. The Israeli Air Force has remained silent too. There is no press conference, there is no denial, there is no confirmation, there is just silence and satellite proof circulating online. But here's where it gets more intruding. Mizar Vision is not just any commercial satellite company. It has been accused of having links to Chinese military. Critics say that it often republishes images captured by their own firm, adding its own digital overlay, enhancing it, highlighting, framing the narrative. So the question is this intelligence gathering or information warfare? Because let's be honest here, if Chinese linked analysts can publish map that positioned American fighter jets inside Israel, that sends a message to Israel, to Washington, and perhaps the most important, to Tehran.